Hey folks, Tom with Cook With Jax here. Got my son Truman. We are gonna trim up a brisket real quick for you. We're gonna have it in kind of fast mode, but make sure you start with a great brisket. We're doing this for the holidays. Cook With Jax, check it out. All right, folks, we've trimmed her up. As you can see, a little bit of a fat cap on that side. This is gonna be our side we keep up. We're gonna put it with Jax, Blue Ribbon competition winner. That's gonna be your best rub to put on this. Let's get this baby going on the grill. All right, folks, we're gonna use here Blue's Ribbon Winner competition rub for our brisket. Go ahead, trim, start putting some of that on. We're gonna get it on there. We're gonna coat the whole thing. Both sides, actually, is what I like to do. We wanna make sure that we are really, really good on that. Let's get this baby on the smoker. Let's see what happens. Hey, Cook With Jax, unleash the flavor in every bite. So we got our brisket in the cooler. We're rocking and rolling. We've smoked this for about 17 hours. Unbelievable. Look at the juice coming out of that baby. Unbelievable. Cook With Jax.